Let's dive into how to set up our first Bolt schedule in Paradime. We begin by specifying the type of schedule, which can be standard, deferred, or turbo CI. For this demonstration, we'll opt for a standard run. Subsequently, we assign the schedule a sensible name, such as hourly scheduled run. Next, we detail the commands that we wish to execute in this schedule, like dbt run, dbt test, and so on. Following this, we specify the Git branch to be used for executing this schedule. By default, it's the main branch, but you have the flexibility to use any branch present in your Git repository. Next, we designate the owner of this Bolt schedule, which by default is the email of the user. Then, we specify the time when this schedule should be activated. The trigger type can either be a scheduled run based on cron syntax, an on-run completion, which triggers when another Bolt schedule ends, or an on-merge, which triggers when a pull request merges to the main branch specified earlier. For this demonstration, we'll use a scheduled run employing cron syntax. You can add the cron syntax in the field if you're familiar with it, or you can utilize one of our cron presets. Next, we have a few optional notification settings. For instance, we can set up a notification on Slack when this schedule fails, and we can specify the recipient of this Slack message and the channel that will receive it. To utilize the Slack notification feature, you must have the Slack application installed in Paradime. Similarly, you can set up email notifications where you can alert someone if the schedule passes or fails, and you define the email address that will receive the notification. Once you're done, you click Publish, and you'll be able to see your new schedule from the Bolt homepage.